All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We are going to be replacing the fuel filter on the R33 today. Should be a simple task. 2 bolts, holding it, clamping it down in the hose. Phillips right there, one at the top, one at the bottom. So I read up that you have to relieve some pressure or something with the fuel pump. Just unplug the battery and unscrew the gas cap. So I already went ahead and I took off one of the hoses. Pretty simple. Just make sure you plug it up so you don't make a mess. Yeah, there it is. So like I said, very simple. This is a new one, installed, done. My fucking light, and this was in there somewhere when I turned it on. That's what made that noise. Alright, everything seems fine. Nothing's leaking that I can see. Yeah. I'm gonna cut up that old filter, see how it looks like on the inside. Yeah, guys, check that out. Oof. Good thing we replaced it. Nasty. Look at that. Shit. Alright guys, so we're just gonna fill her up now. Shout out California with these awesome gas prices. Just gonna finish this up and we'll be installing something cool tomorrow that we should be getting in the mail. Alright, so we got this in the mail. Shout out TKGT for sending this out super quick. So we're gonna go downstairs and remove the original. Alright, so we're about to remove this, and cool little fact I just saw is this is still dated 1996. The original HKS filter. Alright, so we're gonna pop these little plastic tabs off, and I'm surprised I actually have the tool for it, so I thought I'd use it. Just gonna take that nut out. So once you take that nut out, you pull this out. And there you go. You got the rest of it exposed. And I believe it should be just a few bolts right there. Those 2. Should be about 4, I believe. That one right there. And somewhere back here. Right there. Alright, so I loosened up those bolts and we should be able to take this out. But real quick, look how green this filter still is from 1996. So we just gotta remove this hose clamp and we should be able to take this out. Alright, so we're taking this out the box, and right off the bat, the quality looks good. Looks really cool. HKS, the green mushroom air filter. And there's some components I have to assemble. Fun. Alright guys, so I assembled majority of it. It's pretty simple, not that hard. The only thing I got to do still is make a hole in this air duct so I can have it functionable. So I poked the hole real quick. Everything seems fine. Everything's connected. MAF sensor is connected. Everything's good to go. Alright, so I am very pleased with the results. It sounds 100 times much more better. It sounds like there's a turbo in this car. Check this out. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time. Peace.